Thomas Music. Lina.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel once again. Thanks for tuning in today to watch my video. If you are new here on this channel, we do hair tutorials and review. Welcome, and if you like any of these content, don't hesitate to subscribe, please. Thanks for doing it. To my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming here to watch my video. I'm very sorry for not bringing you content to watch, okay? The place is very noisy, so today you can see that my voice is very down, forgive me. So in today's review, we are reviewing straight kinky hair from NAYOO. So it is 14-inch, $21.99, and there is a good news. You know I like good news and I always love to share good news with you. So you can save 5% of your money if you apply the coupon. I will just go ahead and store the hair for you to see. It is very beautiful, very cute and nice, very affordable and quality as well. So as I said earlier, I won't waste much of your time. Let's install the wig. But remember that you check the description box for any important information about the hair or anything that I want you to know. I will just put it in the description box. Do what to check it for me. Thanks. So this is the packaging, okay? So cute, and the hair came with two gifts, okay? This one, the hair net, and also it came with the hair band as well. Very beautiful. I love this color. My comb instead of my hair comb, okay? The brush. So you can see it is very freely, even using this comb, very freely. Okay, it doesn't tangle, okay? Very freely. That is what I like about the hair. So it got this, and also 4 combs. One here, one at the back and in front, okay? So it is very easy to install. You can see that, so easy. We are done. So after putting it on, you just pick the headband that you want to use, okay? Any color that you want to use. Since today my face looks very beautiful, and I can call that way. Okay, so you can just push the band in like this and like this. I wore some like this, was it 3 days ago? I love it. It was so nice. You can see that it is hairnet, it is headband, okay? So I'm looking so beautiful today. Don't mind me, I'm going to tell you. You see how beautiful? I love it. I love it. I love it. But I look beautiful today. for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you like my content. Till I come your way next time, see you in my next video. Bye.